Hello my dearest students. So we will be learning today volume of prisms. We have already done this thing in the class. Now this will be a brief summary for the chapter so that your things become simpler. Okay. So for example, see, you all should very well know that prisms are what shapes? Prisms are those shapes through which light can easily pass. Basically, those are all 3D shapes, right? Prisms are all 3D shapes, and those shapes are called prisms through which light can easily pass. So, this is which prism? It's called cuboid. Okay. Now, always remember one thing, formula for prism is what? It is BH. For any prism, formula for prism is BH. What does this B means? This B means area of a base. Okay, B means area of base. So over here in cuboid, this is your base. Okay, so what is your base? Shape of your base is what? It's rectangle. Okay, so as it's rectangle, front side of your cuboid, as it's rectangle, we will find area of rectangle. So what is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so this base is called length into breadth, and then that length into breadth is what? 12 into 6, it is 72 centimeters square. So basically you have found area of your base, which is 72 centimeters square. Now this 72 centimeters square we will multiply with height. This is the height. Okay, so that is 5 centimeters. So that will turn out to be 360 centimeters cube. Right? So this is our volume of cube. I hope you all have understood this. Cuboid, sorry, volume of cuboid. Now same thing goes for volume. You have to always remember that volumes are represented in form of cubes and areas are represented in terms of squares. Same thing for cube. What is the base of cube? Front side of cube, it is square. So that means same formula again, it is BH. This B means, it means area of square, area of this square. Square, all sides are equal. So area of square is what? Side square. So this B is side square. So now it is 7 inch into 7 inch, which is 49 inch square, or you can represent as 49 square inch also. Okay, so this is B, what we have found. Now we will find H. So H is already 7 inch. So 49 into 7, which is 343 inch cube. Right? So your area, volume of cube is what? BH. See, this formula remains same for any prism. Okay, whatever prisms I am going to cover up in this topic, for all the prisms formula remains same. So it is BH and we have found it. So now it is 343 inch cube. So now let's try area of the, volume of this triangular prism. So if I say that this is 5 centimeters and this is 2 centimeters and my height is 8 centimeters. So let us find the volume of this triangular prism. Volume of this triangular prism, again formula is volume is equal to BH. Same formula. What is the base of this triangular prism? It is triangle. So what is the front side of this triangular prism? It is triangle. So what we will find? We will find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into 2 into 5. So it is 5 centimeters square. Okay, now 5 centimeters square into this height, right? Because this we have just found, this large cap B, which is half into base into height, into height. So into height is 8 centimeters. So your answer is 40 centimeters cube. So we have understood over here what is volume of triangular prism also. It's very simple. Okay, now let us learn volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. In case of volume of cylinder also, base is circle. Okay, base is circle. So base is circle. Again same formula, volume is equal to BH. What is this base in case of cylinder? It is circle. Circle means we will find the area of the base. Area of circle is what? Pi r square. Okay, now over here my r is 7, so it is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. You can take either 22 upon 7, or if you all are working on your calculators, you can take 3.14. So cut this. So your answer is what? 154 centimeters square. 154 centimeters square. So this is my area of base, area of circle. Then sum doesn't get over, do not forget to multiply height, otherwise your sum will go wrong. So multiply it by my height, which is 12 centimeters. So your answer is 1848 centimeters cube. 1848 centimeters cube. Okay, now very interesting fact what you all will learn over here is volume of cuboid. What is volume of cuboid? This is cuboid, right? What is volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is, cube also has got front shape or a base shape as the circle. So it is pi r square h. Pi r square. So volume of cuboid is also BH, right? B is what? Pi r square h, but it will be 1/3 of cylinder. It will be 1/3 of cylinder. Why 1/3 of cylinder? Distinctly we can see here that cone is lesser than cylinder. So for example, this is cylinder, and this is cone. So you can very well clearly see here that cone is 1/3 part of cylinder. That's why cone's formula is same like cylinder, but it is 1/3 of cylinder. So there what we will do, again see over here another new concept will also come into picture. We need h into the consideration. We have h over here. Okay, so we don't need L, we need L for, okay, so basically 1/3 pi r square h. So what is, let me consider this same thing. Okay, yeah, 1/3 pi r square h. So what is pi r square? 22 upon 7 into 7 into 12. So it is what? 264 centimeters square. 264 centimeters square into h. Okay, do not forget to multiply by h. So it is what? 264 centimeters square multiply by this h is 12. So it is 12 fours are 3168 centimeters cube, right? Now sum doesn't, do not forget to take 1/3 of this thing. Sum doesn't end over here, and 1/3 of this is, so answer is 1056 centimeters cube. So over here we have learned volume of cube, volume of cuboid, volume of cylinder, and volume of cone, as well as volume of rectangular prism. So just do these things very clearly, and your stuff is like, it's very easy. Triangular prism, yes, we have done volume of triangular prism also over here. So it is just go through this video thoroughly and your things are simpler. Thank you, bye, have a nice day.